Before machines filled factories, before steel-shaped skylines, before industry transformed civilization, there was protection. Long before helmets, before safety glasses, before advanced protective equipment, there was the apron. Simple, durable, reliable. Industrial aprons were never created for appearance. They were created because dangerous work demanded a barrier between the worker and the hazard, because even the smallest layer can prevent the greatest injury. Industrial aprons are engineered to protect the parts of the body most exposed to danger. The chest, the abdomen, the upper legs, areas constantly threatened by heat, sparks, sharp tools, chemicals, and flying debris. Every strap, every buckle, every reinforced seam, every material exists with purpose. Together they form a flexible shield that moves with the worker. The science begins with material selection. Leather has protected craftsmen for centuries. Its dense natural fibers resist abrasion, sparks, and moderate heat. Modern synthetic fabrics provide lighter alternatives while maintaining exceptional durability. Flame-resistant textiles reduce ignition. Chemical-resistant polymers prevent hazardous liquids from reaching clothing. Waterproof coatings improve protection in wet environments. Cut-resistant fibers defend against sharp edges. No single material solves every problem. Different industries require different solutions. Construction also matters. Heavy-duty stitching prevents failure under constant stress. Reinforced edges resist wear. Adjustable straps distribute weight comfortably across the shoulders. Utility pockets keep essential tools close without interfering with movement. Every feature supports efficiency, because protection should never become an obstacle. Historically, aprons appeared thousands of years ago among blacksmiths, leatherworkers, masons, and artisans whose survival depended on shielding themselves from the tools of their trade. As industry expanded, so did workplace hazards. Factories introduced larger machines, higher temperatures, stronger chemicals, greater risks. The humble apron evolved alongside them. Modern industrial aprons now protect welders, machinists, butchers, laboratory technicians, food processors, metal fabricators, glass workers, ceramic artists, chemical handlers, and countless skilled professionals across the world. Each profession demands something different. Heat resistance, chemical protection, cut resistance, waterproof performance, durability, yet the principle remains the same. Separate the worker from the danger. Psychologically, protective equipment changes behavior. Workers who feel protected move with greater confidence. They focus on precision rather than fear. Proper equipment reduces hesitation, supports concentration, and encourages consistency. Safety is rarely dramatic. Its greatest successes are the accidents that never happen. Modern industrial aprons continue to evolve. Advanced composite fabrics reduce weight while increasing protection. Sustainable materials lower environmental impact. Ergonomic designs improve comfort during long shifts. Future smart textiles may monitor temperature, chemical exposure, impact, and wear in real time. The protective garment itself may soon become an intelligent safety system. Yet beneath every technological improvement, its original purpose remains unchanged. Protect the person, protect the craft, protect the future. Industrial aprons quietly represent one of humanity's oldest engineering ideas. Sometimes, the simplest barrier creates the greatest difference. Every stitch reflects experience. Every strap reflects adaptation. Every improvement reflects generations determined to make dangerous work safer. Because progress has never depended only on stronger machines. It has always depended on protecting the hands and the people who build the world.